if you use Claude AI but still feel like you are not getting the best results. This video is going to change that. I am about to show you the best Claude AI prompts that actually work for students, creators, coders and business owners. Let's go. First, blogging. Try this. Write in 1000-word blog post about AI in a conversational tone. Add an intro, 3 main points and a strong conclusion. Claude AI will write full blog post in seconds. No more staring at a blank screen. For coders, this one is a lifesaver. Find the bug in this code and explain why it was wrong. Just paste your broken code. After that, Claude AI will find the errors and teach you why it happened. That's like having a senior developer on a call for free. Third, YouTube script prompts. Wait, you are watching a YouTube video right now, right? Here's the prompt I use. Write a 2-minute video script about Claude AI. Make it energetic, simple and end with a call to action. Fourth, SEO plus student prompts. For SEO, give me 10 low competition blog titles ideas for keywords and write your keywords there. For students, explain these topics like I am a 15-year-old using a real life example. Claude will break it down even the hardest topics, simply and clearly. No confusing word, no boring textbook language. Now, social media prompts. And if you are growing on social media, try this. Write 5 Instagram captions for product or topic or post. Keep them short, catchy and end with a question. You will get 5 ready to post captions in one shot. No more spending and hours thinking about what to write. So, there you have it. Claude AI prompts for blogging, coding, YouTube, SEO, studying and social media. The secret is simple. The better your prompt, the better your video. If this video helped you, drop a like right now. It seriously helps this channel grow. And subscribe because I post video like this every day that actually help you to use AI smarter and faster. Bye bye.